Hi everybody, Jim Fleeler, Vice President of Sales for Charlotte Products. Thanks for joining us today. I'll probably be about 1.5 minutes here. We have some exciting news today to announce on our hand hygiene program. We've just been awarded the ISSA Innovation Award for 2022 for our USDA all organic certified hand soap. We're extremely proud of that award and thank you, those that voted for us as well, to help us achieve that. So in the same theme with hand hygiene, originally we announced our touchless program, which actually lowers the risk of cross-contamination in a facility. Then our customers actually advised us, brought us up to speed that they'd really like to see a manual dispenser. So recently we've introduced our manual dispenser, which is right over my shoulder here, as a matter of fact. A little bit easier to go in smaller areas around break rooms where you've got a counter and kitchen type cupboards that you don't have the room because the touchless dispenser is about a little bit taller. So if you don't have that room, you've got it here. The other thing too is we've changed the packaging for 3 1250 ml cartridges as well. But again, our customers are talking to us, helping us get better, and they said, what happens if you don't have the application for an actual dispenser on the wall? Say it's a classroom, say it's a dental office, a medical office, a lunch break room, or whatever it may be. Maybe it's at home. Obviously you don't want to put a dispenser on the walls there. So what we've actually introduced is our new sink side bottle with both proven formulas, award-winning formula with our USDA organic, but a 575 ml bottle with a foaming top on it, and we refer to this as our sink side product. So we've got our alcohol hand sanitizer, our organic foaming soap and things like that. And so you've got a full complement of these particular products, whether you want to go with a touchless system, a manual system, or our new sink side. So top quality products made by us in-house and things like that. We also have our Serve Clean brand for any of you that have a food prep restaurant, a processing type area where you've got those applications throughout the building and the facility. So 2 great brands available globally. Just wanted to give you that little update today. Available now without question. Go to charlotteproducts.com for more information. Go to ask your deep facility specialist for Charlotte Products across North America, and we're happy to help you out. But just one way, one example of listening to you and continuing to provide innovative value for you and for clean, safe spaces. Thanks for joining us.